KJ Steven Universe poem. These are the weapons of the team. Weapons. Pearl's weapon, Steven's weapon, Garnet's weapon, and Amethyst's weapon. Steven. Steven is very creative. Garnet. Garnet is an awesome boy / girl. Pearl. Pearl is self-confident but very responsible. Amethyst. Amethyst is a party. Connie. Connie is Steven's best friend. Rose. Rose is the leader, but her and her son cannot live on the same planet as Steven. Fusions. Steven, Connie, Stefani. Steven and Connie fuse. Fuse. Pearl and Amethyst equals open. Thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed.